Many understand the health benefits of juicing. However, a lot of people shy away from juicing because of the want or lack of time to consistently juice on a daily basis. But in this video, I am going to be bulk juicing or batch juicing. By doing so, we are able to save time and be consistent with our juicing lifestyle. Hello and welcome to Juicing Julie. Are you ready? Let's get started. As the name implies, bulk juicing simply means juicing in bulk or in batch. And in today's video, I'm going to be making enough juice to last me for a week. I'm going to be making those juices from a selection of these fresh fruits and vegetables, herbs, and all of this good stuff according to my tastes, consistency, color, nutrients, and so on and so forth. Also, they say variety is the spice of life. That also applies to juicing. So, opening up to a variety of colors in your choice of fruits also exposes you to a full benefit of what each of these fruits, vegetable, herb, in their colors and consistencies have to offer. So I'm going to take advantage of all of these colors in all of these ingredients in order to get the best morning juice for each morning. Another important hack to juicing is to make sure that all your ingredients are washed thoroughly with clean water. For me, I prefer clean water and my clean sponge. That is it. Some other people use salt, others use vinegar, but I personally prefer just clean running water with my sponge and my hand power, just as you're seeing on the screen. Be you and do you. Again, with my citrus fruits, if you've been watching my videos, you see that I peel them all. Oranges, just as I'm doing now, limes, lemon, or even grapefruits, I always peel the back. Others do juice everything together. This is one situation where I will always say, do you again and be you. You can try them all, and whichever your preference is, you follow. The most important thing is getting in all the nutrients you need, doing it safely. Another important juicing hack here is how you're going to prepare your ingredients. If you're using a blender, definitely you need to chop in really small bits in order to secure your blender. Other juicers might require you also to chop them in small bits. As you can see, I am chopping mine in small bits. That is because I am batch juicing and I want to reduce the amount of stress I put on my juicer, because my juicer can actually juice whole like apple, whole oranges, but I've decided to chop them in smaller bits in order to reduce the pressure. I know at this point one will be saying, do I need to put all of this effort? This effort, this time that juicing consumes is actually for you. And the most important person to you is you. So whatever time you make to keep yourself healthy and well is the best time you've ever spent. Health is wealth. I cannot say that enough. So you have to be intentional. in putting the time required to keep yourself healthy. With health, every other goal is achievable. With illness, it's hard to achieve any goal at all. So the choice is clear. Besides, you are royalty, so treat yourself likewise. Beetroot is a powerhouse of nutrients, one superfood that is great for heart health and a whole lot of other health benefits. However, one thing you have to watch out for beetroot is that popping red color. Whatever it touches, it certainly stains, and stains for good. Actually, it can be used as a dye to dye clothes. So make sure you protect your clothing by using your apron. Make sure you protect the environment. Make sure you're not using a white or bright colored bowl when prepping, because if beet touches it, it stains it. My hands will be stained. Even after preparation, my tongue, when I drink it, will be stained. So just beware. Not only that, when it is digested as well, if you drink beetroot, if you go to the loo for wee wee or number two, you will know that you have ingested beetroot, because the wee wees might be red and the poops definitely will also have a deep red color. So don't get scared that you're pooping blood. It's just beetroot doing its thing. Parsnip, a relative of carrots, loaded with vitamin C's and other minerals that help fight infection and boost our immunity. As we continue preparing the ingredients for this batch juice, I'm just going to quickly remind us some of the great benefits of juicing. Now, with juicing, it gives us the opportunity to absorb relevant vitamins, nutrients, antioxidants, anti-inflammatory properties, and all of those nutrients our body needs to stay healthy and combat infections, diseases, plus boost our immunity. Juicing helps with our digestive health and gut health. Juicing helps to detoxify our bodies. Juicing gives energy and stamina, especially the morning juice. Starting our day with juicing is a great way to start a great day. Juicing improves our skin health, makes the skin glow, makes the skin pop, helps the skin rejuvenate, prevents wrinkles, acne, just to name it. Leave for me in the comment section some of the health benefits of juicing that you know or you've experienced. I love to hear from you. All sorted, this goes to the bin. If you have a garden, this can go as compost as well, so never lose anything, okay? So this is it, all prepped and ready for juicing. Now I've not arranged them accordingly. Like I said at the beginning, I let my emotions, how I feel, what I want my taste buds to experience from this juice, guide my mixing and matching. And of course, making sure that there's a balance to vegetables, fruits, herbs, and colors. Are you ready? Let's get started. Pineapple, watermelon, mint leaf, cucumber, celery, carrots, pepper, turmeric, all the good stuff are here. Beetroot, ginger, spring onions, oranges and lemon, my citrus fruits, purple cabbage here, green apples, small mint, ginger, spinach, and this. And these are all the bystanders there.
the cabbage. So the last but not the least,
Now that the juicing is done, it's time to strain. Again, this is optional, totally up to you. I like my juicy smooth, so I strain. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that varying color. A different color for every new day to keep strong and healthy. No additives, no preservatives, just fresh fruits and vegetables that you can get at your regular grocery shops, combined with the ones you like and the ones you don't always like. But juicing gives you the opportunity to mix and match in order to get the best nutrients your body needs. Just take a look at this jar of good health in their full splendor and glory, ready to do your body good. To get the best nutrients out of your batch juice, store in a tight-lidded glass container in a dark, cool place, preferably the fridge, just as I'm going to be doing mine for my 5 working days plus 1 extra. Till I see you next time, I hope you found this video useful. If you have, then like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you've not, and share. Till I see you next time, make food your medicine. Bye bye.